Hey there and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a beautiful website using Wix AI. No coding or designing skills required. Wix has made it incredibly easy to build professional websites with just a few questions using their AI website builder. So let's dive in. First, you have to head over to wix.com, like search for wix.com, and they will redirect you to this page. Okay, if you don't have one, just sign up using your email or Google account. Once you are in, click on create new site at the top right corner. Here you can see this option, create new site. Tap onto it. Wix AI works in three steps. Chat with AI assistants and let the AI generate your website design. So you can start chat with it and you can design your AI. So let's starting by chatting with AI. It will ask you a few questions to understand your business and design preferences. So for example, what is your site about? Here you can see this. So all about selling watches. Okay, now let's send it. Okay, now is asking that what's the name of our business or site. Okay, so let's try watch out. Okay, now let's send it again. Now it will ask you that what kind of content will you feature. Okay, so let it ask. Okay, here you can see what is the targeted audience or for watch out. So I am gonna type something like maybe adult audience who watch breaks. Let's send it. Now it may ask you like, do you have any design preferences or not? You can say something like an email. Do you have any additional goals for your website like this? Okay. Okay, I will say that to sell more. Now let's say what it asked and let's answer the question. Now it's asking that can I share any business story with watch out when did I start my business. So I will type 2024 January. Again, now let's send it again and answer all his questions. Now it is asking that where is your business located, so I am gonna say USA. Now let's send it. Answer all the questions so that AI can make your website. Now let's go to dashboard. Okay, let's see how the AI prepared my website. So as you can see, once you have answered these, click you have to tap onto go to webs dashboard. Now you will be taken to Wix dashboard. This is the backend where you manage everything: blog posts, payments, services, etc. For now, let me cut this offer. Click on design side, then click on generate size. Okay, let me find the option. Let's go, tap onto let's go, and AI will make me videos. First of all, let me show you the prices of it. As you can see, the prices right here are $24 a month, $13.50 a month, $7 and $9 a month, very easily. So now let's go back to the site. Let's leave it. Let's go back again and I will show you my designed site. Okay, let me find. Here you can see this option, design site. Tap onto this option, and from there you can generate a design, or you can pick up a template. So let's tap on to generate a design. Wix AI now use the details you provided to create a custom site for you. Just give it a few seconds to work its magic, and you will be really impressed from its result. So wait until the design is ready, and then you will see a preview of your site. Let it load completely, and it will generate almost your website quickly. The site is almost ready. Let it publish the site, and I think it is gonna start. Here you can see this site. So as I told you, this is really impressive. Now let's design this according to our needs. Let's tap on to continue with this design. Now tap on to continue to the editor, and from there you can edit your designs. Okay, and you can always tweak elements like layouts, fonts, colors, images, sections, etc. For example, we can remove unnecessary image, and I will show you how we can do it. Just simply have to click on that image and tap delete. Wait until the loading is completed fully. So now we are almost in there. Let's load this site also. As you can see, this one. Let this load completely. We can design site if you want to. So basically you can edit your customizable needs from here. As you can see here, you can design this site easily by clicking on site settings. You can edit the site's name and etc. All of these options. You can upload an image to the site from here, like social image and all of that extra etc. So this is how you can build a site using Wix. You just have to buy a domain, then it will be ready to publish. So that was it. If this video helped you, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.